Grocery shopping is finally complete. You have guests coming for dinner and need a great recipe. No need to panic. Here at Asai Guy Cooks, we got the perfect recipe for you with chicken cordon bleu casserole. So let's get started. Let's prepare the chicken. Set your timer for 35 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Let's prepare the sauce. Time to build the dish. Set your timer for 20 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Chicken cordon bleu is believed to have originated in Paris during the late 1840s. Chicken cordon bleu was first mentioned in a cookbook in 1949. The original version involved chicken being wrapped around cheese, then breaded and pan-fried. Looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get a portion of this chicken cordon bleu casserole on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really good. The tender chicken, savory ham, amazing cream sauce, and melted Swiss cheese is absolutely delicious. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Yes, this chicken cordon bleu casserole is sure to impress and satisfy your guests. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one delicious dinner you will be proud to cook and serve to your guests. Stay with us, watch the next video.